Hi there. Welcome in. Can you confirm your first and last name for me? Perfect. I'm gonna be your clinician for today. Well, I don't know if they mentioned at the front desk. So I'm his daughter. Yes, but I know how to do everything, so it's totally not a big deal. I know how to do everything. Yeah. I basically grew up here as a little girl, so I know how to do everything, and I'm missing a little bit of paperwork for some stuff, but it's not a big deal. I know how to do everything. He's on vacation right now anyway, so it's just me filling in. Yeah, but you're in good hands. I promise. Okay, so I got your first and last name. Can I have your date of birth? Oh, wow. You look amazing. Wow. Who do you go to for do you get filler or Botox or anything like that? Who do you go to? I'm gonna need the deeds before you leave today, okay? Anyway, moving on. So what ailments are you having? Yeah, they did tell me that you were here for a checkup, but they said that it says here, patient said they seem a little off. Is that how you're feeling? Off? You didn't say that. Oh, sorry. I think they misheard you. No worries. I'm just gonna get a little close to you. You do seem to have a bluish green tint to your skin. It's more if you get really close though, if you just I'm just gonna touch your face just a little bit and just your face feels like a rock or something. Do you struggle with cystic acne? Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't want to judge, make you feel bad or anything. I just need to make notes of that. Just in case it could be something else, then we have records. Yeah. I'm such a good doctor. Yeah, I know. Okay, so do you feel any pain or pressure anywhere that you need to tell me? Any medications you take? Do you have diabetes, high blood pressure, all of the major stuff? Do you have anything like that? Okay. Okay, perfect. I'm just taking some notes on what I'm seeing. You seem to have some heavy breathing. Do you feel pressure in your chest or pain? No, okay. Yeah, okay. No worries. I'm just going to do a brief exam for you, okay? And take your blood pressure, check your breathing, and kind of go from there. Have you also been having any issues with your vision? No. Okay. Well, we're still gonna check your eyes just to make sure, because sometimes there could be something there and you don't even know. So we like to check everything here. Yeah. And I am gonna check your teeth just a little bit, just to make sure there's no infections there or anything. Yeah. Okay. But otherwise, you said you feel kind of fine. It's just feel like something is wrong. You're not sure. Okay. No, we can definitely get to the bottom of this, okay, bestie? Don't worry, you're gonna leave here with all the answers. I promise, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna check your breathing really quick. So, if you could just breathe in and out for me, okay? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And now, breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now over here, breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, I won't lie to you. I am concerned about your breathing. I won't lie. It kind of sounds like in your lungs there's like metal or something. So, bestie, I'm thinking you could have bronchitis. I'm just gonna make a note of that could be an issue because your lungs sound a little funky. But let's just do all the tests and make sure, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna make a note in your chart really quick. Okay, so next up, we're going to do your blood pressure. So if you could just put that on for me. Your arm is kind of rough. Okay, now just hold still and cross your legs for me, friend. I think it didn't pick it up. Just give me 1 sec. Okay. So, it's reading as 0/0. So I've never seen that before. But also, I've never seen someone with bronchitis before. So it could all be related. So I'm gonna just write it down. Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to think the bronchitis thing could be more like what the issue is. Yeah, for sure. Because like it's like really serious. Yeah. Okay, let's just move on to the next test, okay? Okay, bestie. So I'm gonna have you read each line, okay? Now I did make this myself because well, I didn't find one that I liked. They all looked like so old and like so, like not me. So I added the cute little sticker and I drew on this one and then like did my own little like stuff, okay? So I want you to read the first letter for me. Okay, good job. Okay, now read these like this bottom one because it has like small ones. No, bestie. So this is zebras, but with 2 E's to make it like zebras. Yeah, with a Z. So no, bestie, I'm sorry. You got that one wrong. So, okay, let's do this middle one really quick. It has like super small letters. No, bestie, no. So this one says BGJKLMAO. So no, it doesn't say llama. So I'm just gonna make a note of that. You could have something going on with your eyes. So let's just see really quick. I'm going to shine a light in your eye just to rule out to make sure there's nothing hidden in there. Maybe you have cataracts. reflux, which could be related to the bronchitis. Just gonna make note. Okay, bestie. So I'm just gonna shine the light, starting with this eye right here. Okay. So I want you to look up for me, and I'm just going to shine the light. Okay, and other eye coming in. Can you do me a favor and like look straight up? Just look up, 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 up. Oh, friend, I honestly don't know what I'm looking at. Just look that way. Just look that way. Huh. Okay, do me a favor and look to the right. Look to your right. Okay. Now to your left. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I want you to follow the light with your eyes, okay? Just follow. Make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Just follow the light. Follow the light. So, bestie, has anyone ever told you you have like a hidden pupil behind your like actual pupil? And when you move your eyes a certain way, it comes out. Has anyone ever told you that? So essentially, you have like 4 pupils. No, I've never seen that before. So, oh my gosh, you're so right. It could do with the bronchitis. Yeah, no, wait. Okay, hold on a second. Let me write this down. I think you've been coughing, right? Okay, you've been coughing. And you've been coughing so much. Your eyes. You've been coughing so much, your eyes are being affected. Oh my gosh. Wow. You know, I really think I should be in medical research. I find new discoveries all the time, and nobody ever believes me. It's so ridiculous. It's totally because I'm a girl. So stupid. Okay, bestie, so I'm just going for the last test. I just need to look inside your mouth. I am also very concerned because you are like more blue-green. So I might have to send you to the hospital. Okay, so I'm just gonna shine the light and I'm gonna hold your tongue down, okay? And just say ah, okay? Ready? Say ah. You can just you don't have to say anything actually, because you just sounded really scary. Don't say anything, okay? So do you have your wisdom teeth still, friend? Okay. So I need to kind of get in your mouth and look at something really quick. I'm just gonna like poke your teeth. So friend, you never told me that you have 3 sets of teeth. Is there a reason for that? Okay. gonna make a note of that in my chart really quick, okay? Okay. Um, so friend, bestie, um, I'm starting to think that, you don't have bronchitis. Yeah, yeah, it seems like, um, there's a bigger issue here for you, that, like, I cannot help you with. So I will probably need to refer you to, like, a specialist, or something. Um, no, I am. No, I am. You know, I know I said we would get to the bottom of this, but unfortunately, I think this is out of my field. So, I mean, maybe my dad would know what to do. Oh, no, I'm not saying that nobody can help you. I'm just saying, like, I can't, but I can refer you to somebody. Oh, I am. No, no, there's no need. There's no need for all that, friend. I thought we were friends. I thought we were besties. No, friend. No, listen. I'm gonna get you to somebody, like a really good doctor, like a special doctor, okay? And it's all gonna be okay. It's all gonna be. It's gonna be okay.